Welcome back. The United Forum of BSNL and MTNL Executive Association demanded immediate repatriation of BSNL and MTNL executives to Department of Transport.
The BSNL Association members assembled at Azad Maidan on Tuesday to press for their demand to send back the BSNL executives to Telecommunication Department.
We demanded all the executives hitherto a part of BSNL, we want the repatriation to DOT or Department of Telecommunication. This is the only single demand that we have.
District Secretary of SNEA, M.S. Kaushal, informed that the association had come together with one-point agenda for repatriation of the executives to Telecommunication Department.
These people have earlier, first actually class 3, C and D people were absorbed in BSNL. Subsequently, then Group A and Group B officers were absorbed in BSNL. Now this time was the time of the ITS people to get absorbed in BSNL, but these people have decided not to get absorbed in BSNL. But they want to work in BSNL and wish to retire from the DOT. So they will take all the benefits.
Along with M.S. Kaushal, Chief Accounts Officer of BSNL, Sridhar Akshali, District Secretary of BSNL, J.N. Jadhav and others were present for the meet. Our reporters in Panji, Yashwant Parab.
Feast of Our Lady of Rosary at Naveli was celebrated on Thursday with pomp and gaiety. Large number of devotees flocked in to attend the feast.
People attended the morning mass in large number. After the mass, everybody was excited to visit the fair. Fair included sweet stall, refreshment counters and many other stalls attracting large number of public. Security personnel were present in large number to avoid any unwanted situation. Our reporter from Nube, Santan Rodriguez.
Churchill Brothers equalized with Air India with 1 goal each at ONGC I-League. The match was played at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda on Tuesday.
Churchill Brothers had a draw with Air India at the ONGC I-League match. The players had a tough time scoring goals. Air India coach Bimal Ghosh was not happy with the referee.
Not satisfied, especially because refereeing was upsetting us all the time. Because the decision, the assistant referee decision was all the time wanting.
Coach of Churchill Brothers team, Zoran also expressed his dissatisfaction with the players.
This is club responsibility. Club must make decision. Pay for somebody, he have to give to club something. And some players, as you see, 3 players we put inside fresh, and we give him order, defense, come back, and he have to make block, he give his back to the ball, some player. And really I'm very, very upset.
Both the teams scored 1 goal each at second half of the match. Our reporter in Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
Program cooperative.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Gambling in Vasco, Goa police caught red-handed. Garbage shows its effect. School children fall ill as sting becomes unbearable. Bangini side handed over to CCP, says Joki Alemao. And Churchill equalizes with Air India with 1 goal each. And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media. Watch more news in our Konkani Bulletin. Goa defeats Jharkhand second consecutive victory in Ranchi. Congress fooling Madgaikar on ministry, says Parrikar. Moods and Moments Children Festival celebrated with great enthusiasm.